shake, shake, bumping softly on the road, making sure it's off on mode. The little